Hey guys, this is Karthikeya Kandwal from Apex FinServe and I'm back with your daily dose of charts for tomorrow's trading session. Without wasting much time, quickly moving on to what's new for tomorrow. The first equity trade that we have is a simple demand zone or support level based trade on JSW Steel, where we are going to go for an easy long at 715, stop loss at 705, ideal targets 1% on the downside. The second trade that we have is on HUL, where similar to JSW Steel, however exactly on the opposite end of the spectrum, we're going to go for a supply zone or a resistance level based short at 2450, stop loss at 2480, ideal targets 1% on the downside. The third trade is on Asian Paints. Now Asian Paints right now it is forming a sort of a pennant shaped structure where we don't really have any sense of direction, as in no structural confirmation of higher lows or lower highs. Now it's not exactly a pennant because we don't have a sense of direction prior to the structure, so you might it might be better to call it a symmetrical triangle. Either way, we're going to go for a swing level based short at 2600, stop loss at 2635, ideal targets 1% on the downside. The fourth is on ICICI Bank, where we're going to go for a really simple demand zone plus big psychological support level of 600 based long entry, stop loss at 590, ideal targets 1% on the downside. The final equity trade is, after quite some time we are featuring this script, which is Torrent Pharma. Now it has given a strong breakout of a historical resistance level at 2650, so we're going to go for a long exactly there, stop loss at 2615, ideal targets 1% on the upside. Now quickly moving on to the indices, talking about Nifty first. Now on Nifty you have a rather large trading range for tomorrow, wherein we have the lower part at 14775 or 14780 till all the way till 14880. It's about 100 odd points range, which comes close to anywhere between 0.7 to 0.8% on Nifty. So if you're an aggressive trader, you can trade inside that range as well. However, if you want conservative but high quality entries, I would say that it is better to wait until the price actually breaks this range. Above that level, you can easily target 14950. Under that said support level, you can go for easy 14700, 14690. When I talk about the option chain, I have immediate resistance at 14900 with 270,000 added contracts, significant at 15,000 of course, with 1.7 million added contracts. Support comes in at 14800 with 852,000 added contracts, significant at 14700 with 421,000 added contracts. As of now, I would say 14800 to 900 is the immediate trading range for Nifty from the option chain data. The PCR comes out to be at 0.92, which is moderately bearish. We have seen worse and we have also seen better, so it's nothing to write home about. For tomorrow, as I said, wait for this trading range to break. If you are a conservative trader, if you are an aggressive trader, trade inside that trading range. The second chart is BANKNIFTY. Now on BANKNIFTY, we don't exactly have a trading range, but the price has closed at an important level at 32,800. If this level is sustained, then we might see 33,100, which has been tested today. If it is not sustained, then we will go all the way down till 32,500, because we have also filled the gap down opening that we had today. So either way, it is going to be decided by this very zone. So wait for the first 15 to 35 minutes and just let the chart actually give you an indication of which direction it's wanting to go based on the 15 minutes candles closing. The option chain gives me 33,000 as immediate resistance with 64.5 thousand added contracts, nothing much really. Significant at 33,300 with 226,000 added contracts. Support comes in at 32,800 with 144,000 added contracts. Significant at 32,500 with 122,000 added contracts. Even the option chain says that if 32,800 is sustained, we might see 33,000 on the upside. Not sustained, 32,500 on the downside. Either way, it's going to be a 250-300 points move, and we do hope capture the most, if not all of it, in tomorrow's trading session. Now this marks the end of tonight's video. These are all the charts that I had to share with you guys. As usual, if you want the charts, if you want the content, the option chain analysis, everything, check out our Telegram channel at @Apex FinServe. I share everything there before the market actually opens so that you can make use of it. If you like the content that we have been posting, if you like these daily updates, daily videos, be sure to support the YouTube channel by leaving a nice comment, liking the video, subscribing of course, and pressing that bell notification icon as well. I hope you have a wonderful and green trading session tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good night. Bye.